Welcome back, guys. How are you? I hope you had an amazing week. I had one last week. So, in the last week's video, I just shared with you to go aggressive long or aggressive short based on the levels that I gave you. So, firstly, let's go and revise what we had discussed in the last week. So, we had an amazing week. So, the last week the market was here, closed over here. So I told you that go long above this, that is buy above this, and short below this. There is 34,450. The short was not activated. The market never came to here, and the long was activated. And the first day itself, it gapped up and sustained. And you can see the very big rally, 1500 point rally. That's a very big in terms of the uh, index is concerned. And same with Nifty, a very big rally from the last week's high that I gave you. This was the buying level that I gave you, and this was the selling level that I gave you. That was 15,740. That never reached. So the buying was activated with the gap up, and you can see the very big rally. So what we can do next week? So we can see from Bank Nifty. So the range has been tightened, and in technical analysis, you find a triangle over here. The range is getting tight, of course, although I don't use much of technicals, but yeah. So only for tomorrow, if the market stays within this range till 1:30 p.m., completely within this range till 1:30 p.m., and after 1:30 p.m. if it crosses this or this, it means a 15-minute candle must close above this or this. So you can, if it close below this, you can go short. That is below 35,006, say 670, and you can follow this line over here just like I drawn it. You can draw it on your chart, and if it closes above this, you can go and buy. And you can see some short-term targets. Okay, not very big volatile moves. I'm expecting this week or this coming week. The reason being Nifty. Let's discuss why. So you can see this level. This level I have drawn it very long ago when the market was over here or somewhere. So with the help of Fibonacci's, I draw this level. So it is very near, and you can see a very good gap is pending over here. So the market can be volatile in this range, this 300 point range, again for the next week. I'm not expecting a very big move. Also, it can happen. So I have given you how to trade for the next week. Now let's look at some stocks. Okay, the first one being our very favorite ITC. So ITC is looking good. ITC can go up. It's preparing for a good up movement. Okay, as far I see, the moment it crosses today's, that is Friday's high, you can just go and buy. The Thursday's low, you can keep it as stop loss, and you can take it 1:2 target. And it is a kind of safer bet for the market. It can fall very hard, or it can go up also, or it can stay sideways, because at all-time highs with this kind of levels, it's very unpredictable as of now. So taking very short-term bets is not very useful. So ITC, it has a tendency to go up and stay there for a long. It is a long-term bet. So it's looking for a good uh, time to buy in. So you can go for ITC. And the next one I can share is also a very long-term one, and that is here Hindustan Oil Exploration. It can go up significantly in the course of say 1 or 2 years. You have to keep the time period horizon for big, because as of now investing for 1 month, 2 month, it's kind of risky. So you have to give it a lot of space. You have to take a bigger risk, and you have to just get for a bigger target for a very long period of time. So that's it for the video. I've given you two stocks and the roadmap for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And again, to revise Bank Nifty and Nifty, the market can be volatile, that is sideways this week. Okay, not very big movements, but Bank Nifty, yes, it can go up if it crosses above that triangle trend line. And Nifty also, I've given you two levels, it can stay within that. So that's it for the video. Thank you, thanks for following. And if you did not watch last week's video, just go to the playlist and watch it. I will also put the link below so that you can learn a lot. And that's it. See you next week.